Welcome to A Week on the Ocean, where stories of tragedy and resilience meet, where dark volcanic sands line the shore, and just a few miles from land lies something extraordinary. So join us for the week below the surface as we explore Apo Island and Dauin. If you're new here, we're Kirk and Erica, and we own a scuba diving center based out of Massachusetts.
We travel the world hosting unforgettable dive trips, bringing divers to some of the most incredible underwater destinations on the planet.
For this adventure, we spend 3 weeks in the Philippines exploring hidden reefs, luxury resorts, and immersing ourselves in the local culture both above and below the surface. In our last episode, we traveled more than 30 hours to reach the Philippines. 3 planes, 1 bus, and a 2-hour drive later, we arrived in Bohol. There we explored beautiful reefs, met tiny tarsiers, and experienced the joy of traditional Filipino dancing. After a beautiful week, we crossed the sea once again, saying goodbye to Bohol and hello to Dumaguete and the volcanic shores of Dauin.
Welcome to Dumaguete.
How are ya?
In Dumaguete, there was a team waiting for our arrival with spacious vans, cold water, and warm towels, which quickly became a group favorite detail. Welcome to where we'll call home for the next week. This is Salaya Beach Houses, a luxury dive resort located in the heart of the Coral Triangle right here in Dauin. With accommodations from private cottages to spacious 2-bedroom penthouses, this boutique dive resort hosts just 26 guests, creating the personalized VIP experience we strive for. It's not only about where you stay, but who you experience it with. If this seems like your type of dive trip, we'd love to have you on the next one.
So first, I will show you, this is the camera room here. We have 220 and 110 volts. Area, and this is our rinsing tap here. We have the VCD regulator, that is for the camera, fins and wetsuit over here, and this is the hangers that we are using. So you can put the things you
Now I'm heading on over to our room and show you guys around. Amazing. Thank you so much for everything you do. Thank you. This is absolutely beautiful.
Now that we've dropped our bags off and got settled, we're going to head to another type of room so we can show you around and place a special welcome gift for our guests. This is one of the rooms here at Salaya. It's a 1-bedroom ocean view suite, which has a full kitchen setup, a living room with your own TV overlooking your porch. Your 1-bedroom suite leads into a spacious walk-in closet with robes and slippers, leading into your bathroom and your very own outdoor shower with a private space. So we have these made, we make them for every trip that we do, and this one is special for the Philippines. The front edition is dive with the whale shark print and the KS. So now we're just folding and placing our shirts along with a welcome letter for 2 of our divers, so when they arrive, they will be welcomed with a nice little surprise. Every trip we host, we design a special shirt, and for this one, we partnered with a local business in Dumaguete City. The rest of our day will be spent introducing our divers for the week, sharing stories, laughs, and enjoying our first group dinner together. And of course, getting well rested for tomorrow's dive adventure to Apo Island. Good morning from the water. We are on our way to Apo Island. But before we dive, meet Tata, the lead instructor here at Salaya. Tata has made our time here so much fun. We feel like one big family. Every dive starts and ends with his contagious laughter.
I'm nobody.
Today we're diving Apo Island, just 5 miles off the coast of Dauin. Apo Reef is the world's 2nd largest continuous coral reef system and the largest in the Philippines. But there's more to the story than size and beauty. Apo Island was once a reef on the edge. The sea fueled their village until fish grew scarce and coral began to crumble from unsustainable fishing. Fishermen were forced further and further from shore just to survive. Then, a scientist came with an idea that felt impossible: close part of their waters and trust the ocean to heal itself. Years passed, and the reef answered. Fish multiplied and spilled beyond the sanctuary. Coral returned and life flourished. But nature had one more test. Typhoon after typhoon tore across the island, turning a thriving reef into silence. An estimated 99% of coral was destroyed. However, the protections remained in place, and from the rubble, the reef began again, fragile, determined, but alive. Apo is not a story of perfection. It is a story of resilience and serves as a gentle reminder that when we fight to protect the sea, it'll fight to survive. We just had a beautiful dive at our first sight. Beneath the surface, we could see signs of the typhoon damage, but also a lot of healthy coral and vibrant fish activity, a true reminder of the reef's resilience. Back on the boat, we are greeted with warm face towels and a delicious lunch, the perfect way to unwind and reflect on an incredible morning at Apo Island.
Jeff got us covered. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. With the crew aboard.
Hello.
Thank you.
Hey, my name is Dan. I'm one of the wait staff from Salaya. We have the delicious food. One of the best food here is kinilaw, the ceviche. Yeah, you should try that one.
I'm Fidel, one of the staff in the Salaya. Then I am boat crew. The Apo Island is a very beautiful.
I'm Jeffrey. I am boat crew also. The Philippines is very nice.
My name is Joby. I am the boat captain. Philippines is a very good and very nice tourist spot, especially in Apo Island. It's an adventure.
After multiple dives at Apo Island, we're headed back to Salaya, and we are lucky enough to have these amazing views. And this is a potentially active volcano, but there's never been an eruption recorded. We're back at Salaya, and we're taking things slow this afternoon. It's time to soak up the sun, relax by the pool, and just enjoy this little slice of paradise. Even from above, you can see why this place is so special. And that volcanic sand, that's what makes Dauin incredible for muck diving. Later in this episode, we will be going out on a night dive right in front of the resort. Stay tuned, you won't want to miss what we discover beneath the surface.
Good morning from Dauin.
Today we're diving at the Luca Sanctuary, a site with a fascinating history. Years ago, the reef here was damaged much like others in the world. Corals were dying, fish were disappearing, and much of the habitat was lost. That's when Dive Society Dauin started their reef conservation project. Over time, they built all kinds of structures such as steel pyramids, reef cones, and even entire reef villages, which are all designed to give fish and corals a safe home. Divers can explore the sites visually, but they cannot enter, so the marine life is fully protected. What started as a small effort has grown into thriving reefs. Where there was once only sand, now colorful corals and schools of fish fill the area.
No! Moving, like breathing.
Upside down.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
After every dive, the team at Salaya is always right there, helping with your gear, swapping tanks, and greeting you with the warmest smiles. You're welcome back with a fresh face towel, delicious snacks, and hot coffee is waiting. It's the little things that make the big difference, and the team truly makes this place special. After a surface interval, a few snacks, a change in dive location, we're back in the water.
After diving non-stop for 2 weeks, a little R&R on the island is more than welcome. And it's another beautiful sunny day here in Dauin. For lunch, we're enjoying the famous Salaya sushi. Later in the evening, the sky puts on a show just in time for Valentine's Day, a perfect backdrop for a perfect dive resort. The team transforms the resort, decorating private cabanas and creating a beautiful romantic setting just for the guests. After dinner, some of our divers headed into Dumaguete to celebrate Valentine's Day in the Philippines with dancing and, of course, karaoke.
It was certainly a memorable night, and now it's back to bed for a good night's rest before another full day of diving in the morning.
Another beautiful day and calm seas here in Dauin. The crew is taking us to a site where they've seen a whale shark before, so our fingers are crossed that we have a natural encounter with a whale shark. Unfortunately, we didn't get our whale shark encounter, but we did see plenty of mackerel life. Now it's back to Salaya to gear up and head out for our night dive. The dive site for tonight is actually right in front of the beach, so you do not have to go very far, and the sunset was beautiful as we're getting ready for our dive. All of the divers have their lights on, and we take one last glimpse of this beautiful sunset before descending into the dark waters of Dauin at night. As our night dive was coming to an end, I noticed a glow in the distance. I paused, trying to let my eyes adjust, and then it slowly moved closer. Then I realized it was the same turtle that had danced around me at the beginning of our dive. After nearly 30 minutes, it had returned. It felt like a quiet goodbye. The turtle circled around me once more and then drifted away into the darkness. In that moment, there was nothing else, just me, the turtle, and a silent dance in the dark that I'll never forget. This was our last dive with the team at Salaya, and what a way to celebrate a truly beautiful week. We make our way to wash our gear and get ready for one final Salaya celebration.
And after an amazing night dive, now we get to enjoy some live music, and it looks something like this.
We ended our night celebrating with an incredible, energetic performance from Duo Vibes, alongside delicious food and even better company. Salaya remains such a special place for us and for all of the divers who visit. It's hard to put into words how close you become to the people you meet here, but they leave a lasting impact. To the entire team at Salaya, thank you from the bottom of our hearts for the warm towels, for making us feel welcome, and for taking care of every little detail, and for becoming family. We cannot wait to see you all again. As for next week, we're heading 2 hours north to become the first dive group to ever stay at Sipile's first and only luxury resort. You won't want to miss this adventure. There are even peacocks. We'll see you in the water soon.